No thanks.
Then that's that. I'll carve up your scrawny ass even more!
I'd like to see you try!
Die!
If I got a pulse, I got a... Where is it?
Emergency stop. Please evacuate once the doors open. Evacuate in an orderly fashion once the doors open.
You're done. Can't fight without your arms.
Who says I can't still fight? The chainsaw on my head is all I need to end this!
Moron! Didn't my granddad ever teach you to know when to quit?
You put the dick in predictable and went for my head like a dipshit! Didn't that rotten old geezer ever teach you? Should've gone for the legs, sucker!